Hey everyone, welcome to another Deep Dive with us. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AIoT. That space where artificial intelligence meets the Internet of Things. It's a hot topic, lots of excitement around it.
Yeah.
But like with anything new, there's a good bit of hype we need to cut through as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And what's so fascinating about AIoT is that it's more than just a buzzword. It's really about the convergence of two incredibly powerful technologies. Think of it this way. You're taking the vast network of the Internet of Things, all those sensors constantly gathering data, and now you're connecting it to a brain, essentially. A brain that can analyze all that information in real time.
So it's like instead of just having a smart thermostat that adjusts the temperature, we're talking about a system that learns your preferences, anticipates when you're coming and going, maybe even factors in the weather to optimize your home's energy use, all automatically. That kind of brain.
Exactly. And it's not limited to just your house. Imagine citywide traffic systems that adapt to congestion in real time, or factories where AI can actually predict equipment failures before they happen, preventing costly downtime. The potential here is huge.
Okay, that's seriously impressive. But let's talk about something even bigger. AIoT's potential impact goes way beyond convenience, right? I mean, we're talking about the potential to really make a difference for the planet.
Absolutely. One area where we're seeing incredible promise is in environmental monitoring. Imagine a network of sensors distributed all over, constantly monitoring air and water quality. Now, feed all that data to an AI that can analyze it and pinpoint pollution sources with unbelievable accuracy, or even predict potentially dangerous environmental shifts before they get out of hand.
Wow. It's like giving the planet a full checkup, but like a really high-tech one, and then having the tools to actually do something about it. So from smart homes to a smarter planet, it seems. But how else is AI2 helping us go green?
Well, take a look at energy. The way we produce and consume energy is going through a massive shift right now, and AIoT is a big part of that. We're talking about the emergence of this smart grid. Imagine a system that can anticipate energy demands, optimize the way energy is distributed, and even integrate renewable energy sources seamlessly.
So less waste and a more reliable power grid. Sounds like a win-win, especially as our energy demands just keep growing. This smart grid, though, is this something we'll see way off in the future, or is this transformation already happening?
It might surprise you, but the energy sector is already being revolutionized by these technologies. Companies are using AI to anticipate equipment failures in power plants, get ahead of those problems. They're using it to optimize energy distribution in real time and even personalize energy consumption plans for homes. The future is closer than you might think.
We've talked about AIoT revolutionizing things, our
Yeah.
homes, even the entire energy grid. But what about the tech behind all of this? What's driving these incredible advancements?
Well, one of the biggest drivers is the shift towards something called edge computing. Instead of all that data from those sensors going all the way to the cloud to be processed, which, can take time and has its vulnerabilities, with edge computing, we're bringing the processing power right to the devices themselves.
Oh, interesting. So it's like giving each device its own brain, in a way, allowing it to react instantly to changes. What kind of impact is that having on the development of these AIoT systems?
Oh, it's huge, especially for applications where you need things to happen in real time. Think about self-driving cars, right?
Yeah.
They need to be able to process all that information from their sensors instantly to make split-second decisions without relying on a connection to some far-off data center. Edge computing makes that possible.
Makes sense. But edge computing isn't the only thing pushing AIoT forward, is it? What about the AI itself? How's that evolving alongside all of this?
Yeah, the AI algorithms themselves are becoming incredibly sophisticated. We're moving past what we call narrow AI, AI designed for a very specific task, and toward more adaptable, versatile AI that can handle a wider range of problems.
So instead of having an AI that's just really good at, say, optimizing a building's energy use, we could have an AI that manages an entire smart city, like coordinating traffic flow, waste management, emergency response, all these things together.
Exactly. And these advanced AI systems, they're getting better at learning and adapting on their own, too. Imagine an AI that can not only manage a really complex system, but also figure out how to make it better over time, implement changes, all without humans needing to step in. That's the kind of potential we're talking about.
Okay, now that's both pretty exciting and a little bit, I don't know, maybe even a little daunting at the same time, to be honest. All of this talk about smarter machines, it makes you wonder, what about us humans? What role will we play in a future where AIoT is calling the shots?
It's a big question, and honestly, it's one that people are wrestling with across many fields right now.
Yeah.
While AI is undoubtedly going to automate many of the tasks that humans currently do, I don't think it's going to replace us entirely. Instead, I think we're heading toward a future where humans and AI work together, each playing to their strengths.
The division of labor, kind of. So what kind of tasks do you see us humans excelling at in that kind of future? What would our role be?
I think humans will be focusing more and more on things that require, our uniquely human qualities, things that are really difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in machines. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking, those sorts of things.
So thinking outside the box, problem solving, design, that spark of human ingenuity that has always kind of driven progress, right? So we're moving towards this future where machines are handling more of those, I don't know, maybe more technical aspects of things, which frees us up to focus on the things that require that human touch.
Yeah.
Creativity, empathy, really looking at the big picture.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not really about humans versus machines, but how we can combine the best of both, right? Create something even better. It's a new era of collaboration, really, where AI can help us tackle these complex challenges, these big problems, in ways we couldn't have even imagined before.
This partnership, this synergy between human ingenuity and AI, that's where the real magic seems to be. But it's not just about, like, efficiency or problem solving, is it? It feels like this shift also makes us ask some big questions about what it even means to be human in a world where so much is becoming automated.
It absolutely does. As AI takes on more of these, well, maybe more routine tasks, it gives us this opportunity to focus on what makes us unique. Our creativity, our curiosity, our ability to connect with each other. It challenges us to find new meaning in a world where work, what that looks like, might be very different.
It's like AI is giving us this push, maybe even forcing us a bit, to rediscover ourselves, redefine our relationship with technology, with work, even with each other.
Exactly. It's a chance to move past just the day-to-day grind and into something more meaningful. Pursue our passions, explore new ideas, build stronger communities. The possibilities are really exciting.
This deep dive has been incredible. We've gone from smart homes to smart cities, from the nitty-gritty of edge computing to these bigger philosophical questions about, well, the future of humanity and AI.
We've only just scratched the surface of what AIoT can do, but one thing's for sure, this technology is going to have a massive impact on our world.
And as we head into this new, uncharted territory, it's up to all of us to make sure that AIoT is developed responsibly, ethically, and in a way that benefits everyone. So as we wrap up this deep dive, we want to leave you with this. What role will you play in shaping the future of AIoT? Thanks for joining us, everyone, and until next time, keep exploring.